So this piece is really not as bad as it seems. Of course, it looks quite difficult at the start, but the more you play it, the more it'll become easy. So right from the start, the B and the C, the first two notes are fermatas. You hold them out and make sure to watch the director there. And then after, once we get to the B, which comes after the C, that is a tempo of around 80, usually a bit faster. Make sure to take a breath and measure six, sorry, on the D right there, and exactly at the letter A is when this begins speeding up to a tempo of around 120. Stylistically, once we get past letter A, the piece takes on more of a kind of shorter, I wouldn't say staccato, but it's just like the notes are not, the chords especially are not full, they're just a bit short. Now we get to the bit of the harder section, which is a C. It's the only reason why it's hard is just how fast we play it. If you get the notes, if you just look at the notes by themselves, it's all within the range of the clarinet. It's relatively easy to play. Just make sure that you start slow in this and just really just try, start at maybe 60, try 70, go back to 60, should feel easier. Now try playing it at 70 again, maybe go up to 80, go back to 70. It's just all to provide stepping stones to get up to the tempo, which is again 120. The one note I would look out for is the high E in both measure 29 and 61. The finger, I'll show it right here. It's not that hard. It's just the highest note of the song. Make sure when you try to get it out, you just want a really firm embouchure and good support with air and taking a bunch of reed, and that'll help the note come out when you're playing at those faster tempos. You'll notice that G is really similar to C on your right, except for at the end, you can see the letters "Oh yeah" over the two G's. The first time when we get to it, we will sing the words "Oh yeah," go back to F, notice the repeat sign there, go all the way back to and play through G, and then the second time through is when we play the two high G's there, which make sure to watch the band director because they're fermatas and they'll be holding them out to whatever length they want. That'll be it for Confields. And make sure if you have any questions, don't hesitate again to talk to your section leaders. Audrey, Vincent, and I and also Ali will be glad to help. And see you guys at August Band Camp.